Good.
Could everybody get on and off, Noah?
Is that all right?
Yeah.
Right then, when everyone's got enough, will you tell me and I'll get the train running?
No, I want to get this one.
Okay, there you go, there's your control. You know what to do.
Daddy.
Not too much power. Set us off then. We're
Okay.
just getting a bit of filming of it. Look, go on, set it off.
Well,
Oh, like a pro.
nice and steady, and then build your speed.
Yeah, that's it. Get going then now. We'll have to get boxes off the middle of the table. There you go. Thundering down the tracks. Here it comes through the station. Keep it going. Don't stop this time. Get thundering down the tracks. What do you think, Noah? Is it good?
Rapid.
It's rapid, isn't it? Whoa!
It's fast, isn't it? Right, you're going to slow down and see if you can stop.
Do it around once more. Let's start to think I'll slow it down then, Noah. Let's see if you can stop it in the station. Are you ready? Can you stop it in the station?
Slow down.
Next time round then, next time round you remember you've got to slow down this straight.
Slow down
Get
now.
ready for the station. Slow down a bit, slow down. That's a bit more. A bit more. Here he comes in then. Can he stop at the station? Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, we've gone past. Go again once more. Alright, because you're over here, aren't you? Go again once more. That's it. Slow down now, slow down. Here we go. Slow down, slow down. Just a bit more, bit more. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, bit more, give it a bit more power then. That's it. Can you stop it?
Stop there.
Stop.
Hooray,
Oh, what a pro. Look at that. Yeah, champion, isn't it? Yeah. Can you put it through the tunnel, Grandpa? Tunnel's in a bit of a state of disrepair, but... Tunnel's in a bit of a state of disrepair, so look at that. But there you go. Oh, she runs well. Just 350 up there. Now then, what we're trying to do, try and put these coaches into this side and
See if we can get some trucks going.
some trucks going. We will do it in a second. Just a minute then, Noah. Watch this. I'm going to put my coaches down to this side here if I can. Oh, there we go. So,
Daddy,
I need
Daddy,
to put-
Daddy, Daddy, I can drive it.
right, flick the thing back then the other way.
Beep.
Slowly back her in then. Slowly, watch your engine. Slowly back her in. Go on. That's it, it's going now. Well done.
Slowly.
Into this, not a very big siding now, so you're going to have to be a precision job.
Can I stop now?
Stop now. Oh, what a pro. Look at that. That is
Brilliant.
absolutely immaculate. Well done. What have you asked to put on now, Noah?
Daco.
Oh, yeah.
Where have you made your mistake, boys? We know where for the guard to go.
We'll have to get a guards coach on then, won't we, Noah? What colour guards coach do you want on at the back?
I want 2 more coaches on.
Which 2 coaches do you want on then this to make it a really long train?
Well, that one is just one, so I'll have these.
Just those 2 there, right then. So, Noah's made the call. Let's stop the engine. So you want these ones here, do you? You have to
No,
back
I
it.
want these ones clicked onto them ones.
What engine do we got here?
Doing his own shunts, King George, something or other. I'll have a look at it. Oh, there you go. Now,
Nearly got it.
let's have a look. There you go. Right, you happy with that,
But
Noah?
that one is in the guard's coach.
Right, well, let's go out first with what we've got here. Because we've got a fair train on here, a Jack Lawrence Special.
6, how many coaches you got now?
6 coacher.
You're kidding me.
Watch what's coming round.
You want to sit down? Are we alright? What? 2 maroons, 2 browns, and 2 maroons?
Oh,
Oh, come on.
oh, so what you have to know now,
This coach.
leave it there, right, that one there on the back there, leave it on the track.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I was tempted by DMU, but not at that price. Here we go then.
Oh, I've got something for you in my pocket.
There we go. Oh,
Grandpa, Grandpa, don't come in yet. Close your eyes.
Grandpa won't be able to believe this now. Make sure it's.
Grandpa, you can look now. Come on, look what's going on now.
Wow! What? Hang on a minute. What have we got here? How many coaches?
7.
You're kidding me. Sit a minute. Right, what have we got then?
7 coats.
What is that?
2 maroons,
Yes.
2 brown, 2 maroons, 1 brown.
And where's it going now, Noah? Let's have a look where it's going now.
Oh, it's good. Where's it going down?
It's going the countryside through the tunnel, isn't it? Look at these coaches.
Eh?
Tunnel needs a bit of work.
Yeah, it's a bad crossing over there.
There you go.
Ooh, just catching on. Flat out, isn't it? And 350 shunters waiting with freight train, isn't it? Good
yeah.
train.
Yeah, but he's where we need to be now, so we won't go anywhere.
There you go. Come on back station.
Hey up.
It won't go in. That 350 won't go anywhere until his uncle puts them then to up.
Oh, I see.
Because it's where he needs to be.
I can't believe how well it's running.
Jumping, isn't it? What's happening, Jack?
Go.
Yeah, look, it's going through the tunnel, isn't it now? Look, here it comes. Around the tracks. Whee! Now then, should we get going through the station again? What do you think? Station? Right, just far side, Grandpa, when you're in. Not this time. There you go, Grandpa. I'm going to take through the station.
Right.
There you go, through the station. Is that fast, Jack? Through the station. Should we go flat out? What do you think now? Through the station. Are you happy with it, Jack? Is it fast?
No.
Yeah, don't touch. That's it. Good boy. Should we get to stop in the station? Right, then here we go. Slow her down. We'll have to stop next time because we're going a bit quick there. Are you ready, Jack? We're going to stop it in the station. Me and you. There you go. Look, you're helping Daddy, aren't you? Let's see how good we are then. Here we go. Slowly, 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 slowly. Oh, is that inch perfect, Jack?
Yeah.
So let's get those coaches going. Okay, we'll get those coaches